Disney's Art of Animation Resort is a value resort that will surround you with the enchantment and magic of Disney and Pixar films. Their larger-than-life icons will delight and amaze your family. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are going to look at theming, dining, shopping, and recreation. We'll be looking at a room today, and we will be discussing the types of rooms available. In addition, I will be linking additional room tours in the description below. On today's tour, we have a special guest along for our tour. Disney's Art of Animation Resort is one of the pet-friendly resorts here at Walt Disney World Resort. Lucky, my dog, will be joining us today. So come along with us and bring your whole family today as we tour Disney's Art of Animation Resort. At the front of the resort is the porte cochere. This is where you will be dropped off if you've taken transportation from the airport and where you'll be picked up. In fact, there's a Mears bus coming in right now. I'm dropping some people off. But as you can see, from the entrance to the building, just to the right is Bell Services. And at Bell Services here, you can leave your luggage and then head straight to the park. Or if it's your last day, you can drop your luggage off and go to the park and then come back and get it up before you go to the airport. As you enter the lobby of Art of Animation, you'll notice these great sketches along the side of the wall. And as you see, they start out with just black and white. And as we progress down, there's more and more color added to the sketches. Just a little bit at first and then a lot. And then over here on the side, just to the left when you walk in, there's a kids area with some nice seats and a TV that plays cartoons. To the left is the check-in desk. And then concierge services. Over here, now you can see these sketches are full color. And then when we get to the very end down here, we have the sails on the wall that are full color. But you'll see lots of characters. You have Nemo, Pumbaa, Lightning McQueen, Dory up there. And then if you look up, right before you get to the ink and paint shop, there's a great chandelier, and as we focus in on it, you can see the different sketches. Hey guys, we are at the front of the Art of Animation Resort, and as you can see, the buses are behind me here. These buses will take you to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom and Disney Springs and the 2 water parks. Now, if for some reason the Skyliner, because of inclement weather, is not running, then you would come up here and catch the bus up here. But otherwise you would, for Hollywood Studios and Epcot, you're going to go to the back of the resort, the Skyliner, and ride the Skyliner to those resorts. And we'll take a look at those in just a second. At the back of the resort, on the Generation Gap Bridge, you will find the Disney Skyliner. The Skyliner will whisk you away to both Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Enjoy a short ride with a bird's eye view that will take you to the Skyliner transfer station, where you can choose to continue on through to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. In case of inclement weather, the Skyliner will not operate and you will need to take a bus at the front of the resort. I love this gift shop. It's very colorful, has lots of selections, but you'll see the little ink and paint jars up around the top. We have some 50th anniversary merchandise there. And then a little bit more over here, some of the ears, the lounge fly 50th anniversary. And then the big backpack down there at the bottom. The hand soap. I thought about getting the hand soap. It's so cute. It makes a little Mickey shaped. We have Spirit jerseys, of course, and then some other merchandise. This is the Pretzel Spirits jersey. I haven't seen that one yet. Some more Loungefly backpacks, sunglasses, of course, and then things that you might have forgotten or need. Sunscreen, floaties for the kids. And then back here we have housewares. Always fun, and these are some fun souvenirs you can take back for friends. Some of the pins, and then you got the housewares back here. Oh, and they have a selection of puppy stuff. I like that. I like that collar. We may have to get that for Lucky. Oh, look, there's a Dalmatian one. That would be even more perfect. Mugs. And then over here we have some, a few items, adult beverages. Looks like some wine, champagne, and some spirits. We have these. What are these? That is for earbuds. It's interesting. Fun. Some magnets. Over there you have some luggage and trading pins. That's a fun thing if you haven't started that. And then over here we have a few magic bands. Okay, now we're on the other side of the gift shop, and you can see they have some snacks. So a few things you can take back to your room. Bread, some donuts, chips. And then over here we have the Disney specific snacks. And some popcorn here, peanuts, more Disney snacks. And then we have plush, Disney plush, and toys, and some puzzles back here. So you got a few things, some Turning Red merchandise. That's a cute movie, just saw it recently on, my niece suggested it. Then over here you have a few things that if you would need, aspirin, Tylenol. And these are the new thing, the Wishables. So just behind the ink and paint shop is the Landscapes of Flavor, which is your quick service dining here at Art of Animation. The left side, you'll see the first seating area, which is the Lion King area. And you'll see throughout the dining room that each area is themed to one of the different sections of the resort. This one is Cars over here. And then back over here, we have the Little Mermaid back over there in the back. But we're gonna go and look at the pods and see I'll show you what they have here. Out here in the middle are the soda fountains where you can fill your refillable mugs. Also have coffee, teas, and your condiments that you might need. So as you leave, you can stop by here and pick up. They've got barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard, things that you might need. But over here, we can see the first section is pastries and desserts, and we have our beverages over here. You also have some cereals. There are your refillable mugs. There's also down here, if you have a special celebration, you can get a happy birthday Mickey Mouse white chocolate or milk chocolate cake. Some cuties down there, bottled water, and then frosty adult beverages, pre-made salads, sandwiches, and fruit cups. And then over here we have pastries, cookies. And then if you're here in the morning, they also have the coffee station here. This is the first one. And then just on the other side of the coffee station is the mobile order pickup. Here. But if you don't want to do mobile order, you can also just walk in and come to the pods and order from the pods. So here we have chicken and salmon, braised beef, some stir fry. And then the next pod over looks like it's pasta. And pizzas. We got some pizzas, chicken parmesan. Oh, a big sugar cookie. And then the last station, it looks like it's going to be burgers and chicken fingers. So the convenience of mobile ordering is that if you have families that want something from all three pods, you can just pick it up all at once. Whereas if you come in here and you have one kid that wants chicken fingers and one that wants pasta, you have to go to the two different pods and then check out. And then over here is the Little Mermaid section. The Cars section will transport you to the town of Radiator Springs, Route 66, and the Cozy Cone Motel. Here you will see life-size Cars characters including Mater, Sally, Fillmore, Doc, and Lightning McQueen. Inside the rooms, children and adults will delight in the decor. From the couch cover to look like a car seat, to the cone-shaped lamps, and the dresser that looks like a tool chest. The bathroom car wash theme is sure to please even those who don't like taking baths. They will be sure to get spiffy in a jiffy. At the Cozy Cone Pool, you can check in and chill out in cone-shaped cabanas around the Cozy Cone Motel swimming pool. Inspired by the Disney's Pixar mega hit Cars, this is the perfect place for families looking to cool off. The Big Blue Pool. Just keep swimming in the largest hotel pool in all of Walt Disney World Resort. Inspired by Disney's Pixar splash hit Finding Nemo, this huge zero-entry pool contains over 300,000 gallons of water. Guests can relive the story of their favorite clownfish alongside giant set pieces of Nemo, Crush, and other beloved characters from the film. For the little ones, Schoolyard Playground is home to pop-up jets, gushing water, and more familiar faces from Finding Nemo, while Squirt's Righteous Reef is a Nemo-themed playground, perfect for kids who prefer to stay dry during the playtime. The Finding Nemo section of the resort has family suites that sleep up to 6. The Finding Nemo section is closest to both the Animation Hall and the Disney Skyliner, and for that reason, these rooms and suites are usually more than the family suites located in the other two sections of the resort. Some of the icons in the Finding Nemo section include Mr. Ray and Crush. Squirt can be found watching over the Righteous Reef Playground, and Nemo-themed playground perfect for kids who want to climb or slide. The Little Mermaid section will take you under the sea to a world filled with Ariel, Sebastian, King Triton, and Ursula. The standard room comes in both king and queen bed setups, which is perfect for families traveling together that may want more space and privacy. Connecting rooms are also available. The section was originally built to be the second phase of the Pop Century Resort. So this is the only section in buildings in the Art of Animation with exterior entrances. Inside the rooms, you will find a dresser with a small refrigerator, a table with 2 chairs, the cutest clamshell headboards, and a split bathroom. The Flippin' Fins pool, located inside the Little Mermaid section, is the perfect place to cool off and relax. In the Lion King section, you will be transported to Pride Rock. This section of the resort does not have a pool, but the main pool is just a short walk away. Here you will find Simba, Rafiki, Pumbaa, Timon, and Scar. As you enter the building, be sure and look down and take notice of the paw prints on the floor. Can you identify who they belong to? The rooms have a jungle-themed motif. You will find Giraffe and Zazu, as well as flower petal lamps and the sunset scene in the bathroom. Disney's Art of Animation Resort is, in my opinion, the resort with the best theming for those who love Disney and Pixar movies and multi-generation families traveling together. And you can't go wrong with the quick access to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios via the Skyliner. If you are interested in learning more about this resort, go to scheduleyourdream.com to book your complimentary dream vacation planning session at a time that is convenient for you. Or visit my website, vacationsbylori.com. During your brief 15 to 30-minute planning session, we will discuss your family's wishes and desires, and I will answer any questions you may have. This information will help me plan your family's perfect Disney vacation. Thank you for coming along on this resort tour today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and be sure and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the amazing content coming up. Until next time, may your days be filled with magical moments and cherished memories. See you next time.